Hi, what is your name?
Selena.
Can you introduce a little bit about yourself?
I'm 13 years old and I live in Greensboro, North Carolina.
How do you know about this event?
Well, I originally didn't know, but my cousin here filled me in and asked if I wanted to go, so I agreed. And not only that, I wanted to learn a bit more about what's happening during this event.
So, how many days the events will host?
I'm thinking 2 to 3 days. I'm not completely sure.
Okay, so what is the purpose, the reason that you really want to come here? Besides of you want to learn?
Well, I'm here to talk. Well, I'm not here to talk, but I'm just here to learn about the things happening in Vietnam and also to raise my voice about the thing that's happening in Vietnam, which is prosecution and our religious freedom. Because back in Vietnam, we don't have our religious freedom, and so my brother, he was also one of them, and so he was in prison for 8 months in 2008, and then last year took all his belongings, such as Bibles and phones. It would not let us have contact with him. So I want to raise awareness about that problem, and not only just us Montagnard people, but people in Nigeria, China, and many other places.
How many people coming with you from North Carolina?
Probably like 9 to 10.
9 to 10. Wow,
Yeah.
that's a lot, huh? Yeah, okay. So, I remember yesterday that we went out like to Vietnamese embassy and to raise the problem. The people that are still in the jail right now.
Yes.
Some people like 14 years, 20 years, something like that. So, what do you wanna tell to the international organization or U.S. government to know about our people? You want to say something, or what they can do for them?
Well, I would first like to say to the Vietnam police and government to release us Montagnards because we did nothing wrong, and not and may we have our religious rights because we all believe in many other things. I see no problem why you guys are against it, but if the U.S. government could help us out, it doesn't have to be much, but just enough so we could help help other Montagnards, not just Montagnards again, but the other people around the world who's suffering with prosecution, human trafficking, and religious rights. I think that's about it.
I think you are the youngest one here
Probably,
today.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm really proud of you. And then you want to say something for Montagnard people in North Carolina and around the world that what they can do in the future?
It doesn't have to be super big, but just something enough to help your people and people around us, because sometimes we need that little help and support from each other. Just raise awareness from what you believe. Believe what you want, and then again, it doesn't have to be super big. It can be super small, and just try your hardest. That's about it.
Yeah, just do from the small.